This All-American quarterback from 1949 uses a lesser-known principle to provide interactivity to the player, called pitch and bat. Pulling the rod on the left front of the machine pitches the ball towards the flipper, and turning the handle on the right side of the machine operates the flipper bats. The player gains points by hitting certain targets on the sides and far end of the playfield. But there are also targets you want to avoid. Hitting these will end the game. Since this type of gameplay simulates baseball so closely, 99 out of 100 pitch and bat games have a baseball theme and have only one bat. All-American Quarterback is an exception to this rule. It's based on American football. To accommodate with this theme, it has multiple bats. And if you look closely, you will discover that the flipper bats carry the names of player positions in American football.